Hello everyone and welcome back to Neuphony's YouTube channel. As you all know, the Neuphony Flex Cap works best with the Neuphony desktop application. Today we dive into what happens when the Flex Cap is not connected properly. For that, let's wear the Flex Cap on our head and connect the dongle and click the click to connect button. You will witness that the impedance screen appears as it usually does alongside the how to wear your device correctly screen. Press continue and here's where you'll see some changes. This screen from now on will help you understand how well the sensors are connected to your scalp, where red represents bad connectivity, pink represents average connectivity, yellow represents good connectivity, and green represents excellent connectivity. The software will now check the connectivity for each sensor on your head and provide impedance values for each of the sensor in terms of color-coded values. It is advised that you do not proceed ahead unless all the sensors are well connected. But that's not it from Neuphony. Check out these other videos and don't forget to subscribe to Neuphony's YouTube channel and see you later.